Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we'll discuss the steps to activate your UnitedHealthcare OTC card and how to use it at Walmart. Before you begin, make sure you've received your UHC OTC card and that it's the one you want to use for shopping at Walmart. UHC cards can be linked to different health plans or benefits like HSA, FSA, or other eligible accounts, so confirm that it matches your needs. Step 1. Review activation instructions. Your UHC card usually comes with activation instructions. Read them carefully. You can activate your card in one of the following ways. By phone, call the number printed on the back of your card. Online, visit the UHC member website at www.uhc.com and click on Sign In. If you already have an account, log in using your username and password. If you're new, click Register Now. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and then register using either your member ID or Medicare number. You can also use the UnitedHealthcare mobile app to activate your card. Simply log in and follow the on-screen prompts. If you face any issues during activation, contact UHC customer service using the phone number listed on the back of your card. Step 2. Use your UHC OTC card at Walmart. Once activated, your card is ready to use. Using your UnitedHealthcare OTC card at Walmart is just like using a debit or credit card. Select eligible OTC health and wellness items covered under your plan. At checkout, tell the cashier that you'll be using your UHC OTC card. Swipe or insert your card. Enter your PIN to complete the purchase. Step 3. Check your card balance. To check your balance, visit the UHC OTC card website, listed on the back of your card. Log in with your credentials, follow the prompts, and view your remaining balance easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.